Hello my dear students, welcome to ASD Physics Academy. I am going to start a new series, question of the day. In that I will upload every day one question on my FB page. So you all come on my FB page and comment your answers, and in that way take your performance to the next level. You can get the link of my FB page in the description of this video. Now let's see today's question. A solid cylinder of mass 2 kg and radius 50 cm rolls up an inclined plane of angle of inclination 30 degree. The center of mass of the cylinder has a speed of 4 meter per second. The distance travelled by cylinder on the inclined surface will be. Now, according to the question, I have taken one inclined surface. Let's take height of this inclined surface is h, angle of inclination is theta. So there is one solid cylinder that rolls up in the inclined plane. Let's take speed of the cylinder is v. So in the question we have to calculate how much distance the cylinder will roll up. So speed of the cylinder is given 4 meter per second. If I talk about the angle of inclination, that is given 30 degree. Let's take mass of the cylinder is m, radius is r. So mass is given in the question 2 kg and radius is given in the question 50 centimeter, and we have to calculate this length, how much distance the cylinder will rolls up. Now to solve this question, the concept is whenever a cylinder rolls down from height h and angle of inclination is theta, then its speed at the bottom of the plane v is given by v equal to root 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square, where h is height, k is radius of gyration, and r is radius of the object. Let's take mass m, radius r. Now this is the situation for the down. When the cylinder is rolling down or any object is rolling down, same concept is applicable for rolling up also. Let's take here, there is one object, its speed is v, rolls to height h, then its speed is also given by same formula, v equal to root 2gh 1 plus k square by r square. Now to solve our question, first we will calculate the value of k square by r square. For solid cylinder, moment of inertia is given by 1 by 2 mr square. We will just make it equal to mk square. Then what will happen? Both the sides, this m and this m will cancel out. That means we can write here r square by 2 equal to k square. Hence k square by r square equal to 1 by 2. We got the value. Now from here we just write here, we can write v square equal to 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. Now v is given 4, so 4 square means 16 equal to 2. G is given 10 in the question, height h 1 plus 1 by 2. Hence we can write here 16. 1 plus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2, and we will do the cross multiplication. So 16 into 3 by 2 equal to 20h. Hence height h is given by 16 into 3 by 2 into 20. Now we will simplify this. After simplifying this, this will come 1.2 meter. But in our question we have to calculate the length L, and we calculated only h. Now again we will just apply in right angle triangle through the trigonometry. We can write here h by L equal to sine theta. So I can write here L equal to h by sine theta. Now height of the inclined plane we calculated 1.2 meter, and sine theta, theta is given in the question 30 degree. So sine 30 means 1 by 2, that means 1.2 into 2 meter. That means length of the inclined plane is given by 2.4 meter.